Hey guys, Kristin here. Welcome back, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe if you do enjoy. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so before Christmas, I was a little last minute on my presents, and I really didn't know what to get my family. So I thought, what better gifts than something that I make? Right? Who doesn't like to get a gift that looks like it's made from a kindergartner? Oh, I love it. This Christmas season, I decided to do a little bit of DIYs for my family members. And I decided to film the process, so hopefully you guys enjoy. We're gonna need 5 bundles of these things. If you're from anywhere around where I live, you can't find them anywhere. This is actually the only color I could find 5 rolls in. The end is usually just shoved right into the center. Basically what you're gonna want to do is do this loop. I like to make them not too big, and we're gonna tie that off. No fancy knots here. Now we have this little noose. Hang your enemies. Very versatile. Now it's kind of like a dick. Now that we have these two, you're going to want to pull the cord in again, and then you have another loop. But this is where I start losing my loops. So I like to put it on the table. Just going to want to keep doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's good to keep track of your loops. I was watching this video and the lady was like, keep track of your loops once in a while. I was like, this is ridiculous. Who loses a loop? All of a sudden, I realized I was at 19 instead of 20. Really? You're gonna want to take it and then just loop it right in so that it just comes out like a little loop at the end. Pretty much what you've been basically doing this whole entire time. Very nice. Apparently, you should loop them twice at the ends, hoping that works because I didn't like how my sides were looking. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this one's for my grandmother. There we go. We have 5 little loops at the end. Now that you have all of the first row, just do the exact same thing. That's basically it. So on the end, I'm just gonna do it twice again. We're doing it. Sam, stop scaring me. Yeah, I think I'm liking how the end's going because it's not like going farther than the end, if that makes any sense. The braid at the bottom and then the blanket would come out. Probably should have done that before I made a crap ton of blankets. But actually to make these are pretty expensive. It costs like 70 bucks just to buy the stuff to make one. Bernat blanket big. Alright, so this is about as much as one yarn ball makes. Tie them off. I just tie them off this way. Just double knotted. I don't think that's any kind of fancy knot. But yeah, it just makes this little... Okay. You're not really gonna notice it that much. I mean, right here you kind of notice it. And it's been a while since I've counted them, so now I'm getting suspicious. I want to make this crochet bag thing that they have on this. It says I need 5 balls. That's the same amount as this whole blanket. That's an expensive ass ball thing. I like to make little smaller ones. I know a lot of people are making really big loops, but I don't know, I kind of like that it's more to get put together. But I'm not looking to get my hands and my feet straight up stuck in this. I hear Sam fucking around somewhere. Sam! What are you doing? They only had brown and red when I went, so I bought some brown. I'm going to be painting it after anyway. I'm over here struggling for nothing. I feel like I'm carving chocolate right now. Laura Secord, I'm coming for your job. I know it's a little bit metallic-y, but I'm hoping how little I'm using doesn't really show up metallic. So basically what I did is I didn't like the color that I was making before, so I just covered it with white, 3 coats of white paint on there. Now what I'm going to do is do the speckles that I wanted to do, as well as the trim when she gets in. She's just like, fuck this shit. I'm gonna take these off. I'm putting them right here. What are you doing? I got the COVID vaccine yesterday, and I feel fine. My arm hurts, but that's normal for a vaccine. Like, it's not perfect, it's not crazy, but you could probably buy this at Walmart. That's how I live up to my expectations. Yeah, they'd sell this at Walmart. I don't really have very high expectations of myself. I feel like I need to put cracks in it, but I feel like going there would be not a good place because I won't be able to come back. I wanted to find like kind of a rectangle shaped wood to do my mom's like necklaces on, but I also thought this would be cool. It was in the clearance section for $8, regular $20. Looks like I'm about to put some antlers on it and put it up on my cabin in the woods. I bought 2 of them. I have no ruler today. I only have this measuring tape. We'll see how that goes. Saw that Gabe had like these cute little nails in the closet and I don't think he's using them. I'm gonna use them. And I got hammer time. And by hammer time, I mean spending way too long trying to figure out where I'm gonna put these goddamn nails. At first, I had this idea that I wanted to make it zigzag across, but sadly, that was like way too much for my small brain. Now, I'm debating if I want to paint this a solid white. I could always just try watering it down, and then if I don't like it, I could paint it more. I just got like a little bit of water in my Campbell's soup mug. I thought it might be really cool just to paint this like a watered down white color to make it look kind of more beachy, stained. I don't know what I'm talking about. Here I am just taping out the second board before I start to paint that one. This is when she knew she fucked up. If you can't tell from in the recording, I accidentally painted the wrong side of the tape. I can fix this. Fixing this. I think that'll be okay. We roll with the punches over here on the Crystboard channel. Alright, so it's now the next day. We're gonna take the tape off now. It's not that bad. It's a little bad. It's fine. It's for my mom. She doesn't care. But that looks pretty cute. Look at that. Oh, that one did not do as good at all. We have like all the water. I'm just gonna take some nail polish remover. This might be like a horrible idea. I mean, I know my mom's gonna love it no matter what. I would just rather it not look like shit, you know? Also, I was trying to be good. I don't have much of a relationship with my dad. It might be nice if we go to like a hockey game. Like normally for Christmas, I just get him like a hockey sweater. But this year I was like, ticket for a hockey game like around here. Then we could go together and it could be like this nice little bonding experience and I think he would really like that. Well, I fucking went. I'm not gonna lie. I don't buy tickets. I should have done more research. That's on me. The whole thing's on me. I went on and I came across this website called like Ticket Club. I was like, okay, the tickets are $42. I'm like, that's a little pricey, but for my dad, I will. And then I buy like the insurance or whatever because I'm like, who knows what happened? I don't know really what insurance does, but I bought it, you know? I was like, this will be a cute little experience. We'll have fun. I checked my bank account and it's $132 that took out. And I'm like, what the hell? It said it was $99 on my receipt. They're like, oh yeah, well it's because like the money's an American. My $99 tickets are now $132 plus $16 for the protection. So $132, that would be $148, so almost $150. And I went online to like Ticketmaster instead, where like they normally sell the tickets, and they're $30 per ticket. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm literally like the stupidest thing ever. I don't know if this is helping at all. This one looks a lot better. Maybe I'll just give her one. I don't know, man. Should I stain it? Like, should I paint the rest of it at this point? I do have like this metallic brown rest, or I could paint a strip, really like remove that. Oh, I could just do like a thin strip. I think that'd be okay. I realized after, like, I probably should have sanded this wood or something. I mean, it's not the worst thing, right? Like, it's not that bad. It was definitely a lot cuter in white. I don't know. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm trying here, okay? I'm trying. I don't think I ever made my mom a Christmas present. Like, not since I was, like, really young. I mean, it's something. So I wanted to do something like this just because, like, my mom, she had made like, I think it was a DIY, it must have been a DIY, kind of like necklace board. I think it was just made out of like a cork board and then there was like a frame around it. I had like this satiny leopard print that she like folded the corners down, and that's what she's still using to this day. Like she has a lot of necklaces, so I'm thinking like if I can make her something a little bit more fashionable. I don't know how much fashionabler this is, but I'm trying. Okay, now that these are done, I think what I'm going to do is set it up so that kind of like this, maybe. I did fucking good. These are like so like on par. Am I good or am I good? That's just my eyes. I think it would be nice. Mom would still use it anyway. That's the kind of lady she is. She's like, whether or not you're artistically challenged, I will still praise thee. Like, it's not that bad. It's kind of cute at an angle too. Close your eyes and you squint really hard. It's kind of cute. Yay. So that's what I have here. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up. It is always appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You kind of look like earrings. Hey girl, hey! I thought they were super cute.